Okay, let's have a look at the third type of calculation, and this is where we're finding an angle. Now what this means is we're going to work with something like cos of an angle x is 16.2 divided by 23.4. Now to work out what the angle is, we're going to use the shift key on the calculator. There's two ways of doing this. The first way, we work out what 16.2 divided by 23.4 is by pressing the buttons and equals, and then we do shift cos answer equals, and that will give us the angle. There's a slightly easier way, I think, and this is the way we'll do it in the video, and that's do shift cos, then open a bracket, do the calculation, close the bracket and press equals. Either way is fine, it's just personal preference. I prefer the second way, but you go with whichever way you prefer. Okay, let's have a look at an example. So this one, we've got the same four W's, and we've seen them before. First of all, I should say what that symbol is there. Find the size of angle, funny looking letter. That's a Greek letter theta, okay, theta. And that is used in maths a lot for unknown angles. So we've got the four W's again to help us find theta. Which two sides are we using? Well, we've got 5.16 is the opposite, 10.32 is the hypotenuse. So there we are, there's O and H in SOHCAHTOA. So it's trig ratio, well, it goes with an S for sine. Write the definition. Now sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so in this case we write sine theta equals 5.16 divided by 10.32. Fourth W, work it out. So we're going to do shift sine, brackets, 5.16 divided by 10.32, close brackets equals, and that tells us that theta is 30 degrees. Let's just make sure we're okay with that on the calculator. So there we got it, sine theta is that. Now the buttons we're going to possibly be using, we're definitely using shift, definitely using sine. We might use answer down there on the bottom right. So there's two ways of doing it. You could press 5.16 divided by 10.32 equals, then do shift sine answer equals, or you could do shift sine brackets 5.16 divided by 10.32 close the brackets equals. Either way you'll get theta is 30 degrees. Okay, let's have a look at another one. There's theta. Now the two sides that we've got are the adjacent and the opposite. So there we go, opposite and adjacent. O and A goes with T for tan. Write the definition. Tan is opposite over adjacent, so in this case tan theta is 4.6 divided by 5.7. Be careful there with that one. 4.6 is the opposite, 5.7 is the adjacent. Yeah, that's good. Fourth W, work it out. So shift tan, 4.6 divided by 5.7, tells us that theta is 38.9 degrees to one decimal place. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, we can do this by asking ourselves four questions with the W's. Which two sides? Well, 4.3 is the adjacent, 8.6 is the hypotenuse. A and H goes with C for cos. Write the definition. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so in this case cos theta is 4.3 over 8.6. Fourth W, work it out. Shift cos blah 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 gives us theta is 60 degrees. And there we have it. That's how we do those. There's one more little video after this, looking at some questions where the trigonometry is hidden a little bit in an exam. And that'll be it. You'll then be an expert on trigonometry. Bye for now.